Hello there. As you can see right now on my desk, I do have something that looks like a 3D printer and that looks finished. This video though is the highlight of the third stream of me building the Prusa Mk3S+. And this stream was something else. We were working with less hours of sleep, slowly losing daylight, and I don't want to spoil it to you, but we were building the toughest part of the actual 3D printer. If you would like to see the entirety of me slowly going insane over the construction of this printer, you have access to every single stream I have done on this YouTube channel in the playlist section over on my page. And obviously do not forget to subscribe to not miss any future streams. That's it for me and enjoy this third streaming highlights. So this is day 3 of building this machine. Apparently today is a big day, because today we are mounting the E-axis and what looks to be the fuse, the extruder itself. And I looked into the bare consumption instruction at the very end of this chapter, and it seems that it is the biggest chapter because we get to eat a lot of gummy bears at the end. So I guess we will get started. First of all, this can go down. Yeah, quite happy with how it's starting to turn out. Let's go. This is the most important and hardest chapter. Take your time, don't rush. Properly assemble the extruder. The bag with fasteners includes M320 and M318 screws. Make sure you won't mix them. I did that mistake in the past. Chapter 5 and Chapter 5. So, everything on this sheet. Alright, this already doesn't fit as easily as I want it to. I already had this issue quite a few times building this. But that's okay, it happens. I'm also really tired, working with approximately 5 hours of sleep, which does not feel great for a part of the build that is apparently that important. Oh yeah, I can feel the edge. Take the smaller magnet and insert it carefully into the FS lever. But where is the FS lever? This is my question right now. Is there 2 parts to this build? Looks like it. You say carefully, but this is really tight. Like uncomfortably tight. Take some of the material off. So when done building this machine, what is the first thing you're going to print with it? Probably just a benchy, you know, like those classics. Some suggested a mini version of me. First of all, I don't have the model for it, and I don't have a 3D scanner in here, but probably a benchy. This requires so much force, goodness. Gonna push one last time. Okay, insert the bigger magnet into the extruder body. Nice. So, yeah, they are repelling each other. I'm gonna try to push it down a little bit further. Sticks out quite a bit. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. This is wonderful design. Wow. Having a nerdgasm right now. This is so nicely put together. Goodness. So again to the shaft. The set screw must be facing against the flat part of the shaft. Tighten the screw slightly. There is a channel for filament inside the 3D printed part. Align approximately the teeth of the gear with it. Okay. Take a piece of filament. You can use the bonded one on the spool. Do not use the black nylon, which is too thick, okay? Straighten the filament as much as possible. Alright. So I need to cut a piece, right? I just would like the beginning of the spool first, please. I cannot find the beginning of the spool. Wonderful. Straighten the filament as much as possible. Well, cannot do much more than that. Ensure correct alignment using the Allen key. Done. Leave the oil on the empty for now. We'll use it later. Okay? Boom. For this step, prepare hot end of the Mk3S+. Is it in a totally different box? Where in God's heaven is this? Something seems to be missing, and I'm not kidding. Yeah, where was that? I think we need help. Let's go check the website. I want to know where it is, because I cannot find it. Oh my god, this is getting really embarrassing. So let's go back to the boxes and try to look for it. This is just a USB cable, electronics. There you go. Extruder box. Whew. Oh, this is why you need to place the screw first. I understand now. Okay. Place the extruder with the hot end on the box and make sure the cable's on the left side of the opening. This box. Place your finger temporarily on the longer magnet and place the extruder motor assembly on the extruder body. Why would I need to place that on the magnet? We are making so much progress, and I forgot to go back to this. Okay, and nobody told me in chat. Thank you, viewers. Is this tight enough? I think so. Something fell down. Usually not a good sign, but okay. I live with that. And we started to lose some daylight, so I'm going to put more ISO on my camera. Ugh. Nice, nice, nice. And this cable was a pain in the ass to set up. We're going to do it again. All aligned, all aligned. There you go. I need to be more patient than that. This could have cost me quite a lot if I did continue without checking this mistake. Okay, I think you should hear me now. I have issues with my XLR cable, so now you should hear me. What is the correct orientation of this? Yeah, as they said, cable management seems to be everything in this part of the build. Okay, let's retitle all of those. Seems that we do like 2 steps forwards, 1 step back. Meaning that it is really frustrating, but we do make progress. That's the most important thing. Now time for the fans. Important, the hot end fan is shipped in 2 versions. Check carefully which version you have, version A or version B. Oh, I have a Noctua fan. That's nice. Version A, the fan cable is bundled, is covered in a black sleeve. Version B, the fan cable is not covered. Each fan uses different fasteners, including the package. Slide the fan close to the X carriage and gently push the cable using an Allen key. Before you push the fan all the way to the left, place the cable in the X carriage. Final check. The fan is oriented in the cable facing up. No cable seems to be pinched. Like, a little bit, yeah, but like, I cannot see shit in there. It's already 5 in here, I still have an hour, because I have a call right after. Let me just check how many steps are left. Quite a few. Quite a few. I guess we are going to stop soon. I think we could stop here. Like, this has been 2 hours of streaming. We are, I think, halfway through the extruder portion of the build, which feels nice. Because apparently, once again, it is the hardest part of this build. We still have around, quite a few actually, a bit less than 40 steps to go. But this seems to be something that we can do tomorrow. Day 3, this is by far the day where I've been the most exhausted. We made some amazing progress on the extruder. This is some amazing technology right there. Nicely engineered. So great to be able to work with such materials. Everyone, please enjoy the rest of your day. And I guess I talk to you guys tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone.